So another way to practice using our Foresight GC Quad, there is another program that we don't usually use here, but I like to use it for myself and when I'm teaching some people, but it's a great way to practice. So it's called FSX Pro. Once you get in here, you can actually create a profile for yourself. I've already got one for me. And then from there, you can choose what club you're gonna use. So let's say for now, I'm gonna use my 54 degree and I'm gonna go to next. What I like to do, me personally, because I'm a left-hander, I like to move my line position so that I'm aiming at it. So usually on the screen, if you can see on our simulator there, if I'm hitting as a lefty, I want to be hitting down that line there. So that's where I'm going to save the position. Okay. Now from there, I have lots of different parameters as per normal that you would see on the regular FSX 2020. But with this, what I like to do is once I've warmed up a little bit, I can actually change my target. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go to target mode, and it's gonna give me a distance to choose. So I can choose, let's say if I wanna work on my game from 100 yards, and I wanna say, all right, I'm 5%, 11%, or 18%, or I can just drag it to whatever I want. I'm gonna basically dictate how big the green is gonna be. So in this case, let's say we're 11%. And we're gonna see my total distance with a 54 degree needs to be 100 yards to that. We're gonna see how often I can hit the green in regulation. And you can limit yourself to a certain number of shots, whatever works for you. You can see on the bottom right part of the screen here, I've hit 1 out of 2 greens in regulation. It'll give you the average number of times you're gonna hit, plus it's gonna give you your average distance to the pin. It's a great way to train for your wedge game. I highly recommend doing this from like 150 yards and in, because it's gonna really help you get a good feeling for how far your clubs go. And I mean, this isn't a stock yardage for me. 54 degree, I don't normally hit 100 yards. So I need to dial it back a bit. This is a great way to train your feel over the course of the winter, and great place to do it. Come and practice here in our simulator here at Crimson Ridge.